धर्मशाला में निर्वासित तिब्बत सरकार के नए प्रधानमंत्री और 45 सदस्यीय संसद के लिए रविवार को मतदान का दूसरा चरण पूरा हुआ। इसमें तिब्बती मतदाताओं ने काफी उत्साह दिखाया और बढ़ चढ़कर मतदान में भाग लिया। बता दें कि पहले चरण के मतदान के बाद अब प्रधानमंत्री पद के लिए केवल 2 उम्मीदवार ही मैदान में रह गए हैं। इनमें पेम्पा सेरिंग और केलसंग दोरजे शामिल है। वहीं 45 सांसदों की सीटों के लिए 96 उम्मीदवार मैदान में हैं। इन चुनावों के परिणाम 14 मई को घोषित किए जाएंगे और 20 मई को प्रतिनिधि शपथ लेंगे।
Feeling to be a part of such democratic system in exile?
Yeah, we are sending a message directly to Beijing that there is no democracy in China, and Tibetans in Tibet don't enjoy freedom. But under the great leadership of His Holiness Dalai Lama, we in exiles have been given this gift of democracy. So today is a proud day where Tibetans all over the world come together to celebrate and participate and embrace democracy, to show that we are refugees for political reason, but as a human being, we are as capable, as good as any other citizens of democratic country.
What do you expect from the upcoming leadership, sir?
I wish the upcoming leadership the very best, and my team is with me, and we wish the new team led by New Sikdom and the Kasha the very best, that they be much better than us in reaching out to the global stage and support from all over the world, raising the issue of Tibet all over the world, and I hope they get 3, 4 times, 5 times more funding than us, and help settlement, sustainability of the settlement, improve the education, improve health, everything. So we wish the new team the very, very best. And I say this from the bottom of our heart, because we've been in the administration for the last 5, maybe 10 years, and how difficult it is. So that the pillar of executive pillar is still standing.
Any work?
Yes.
Any work that you could not do and you expect them to do?
Anything? I'm sure there are a lot of things they will find that I've not been able to do, and I'm sure they will do it and much better than us.
I'm Acharya Yoshi, Deputy Speaker, Tibetan Parliament in Exile. And the franchise is a very important in a democracy. So I just appealed the last time also, to participate the democratic system. And you are choosing your right candidates and your right leaders who can give a good direction.
दिव्य हिमाचल टीवी के लिए धर्मशाला से विनोद कुमार की रिपोर्ट।
जीवन साथी तलाश रहे हैं तो डाउनलोड करें हिमाचली रिश्ता.com मोबाइल ऐप। हिमाचल की अपनी मैट्रिमोनियल ऐप हिमाचली रिश्ता 5 सालों में अब तक बसा चुकी है हजारों लोगों के घर। हिमाचली रिश्ता.com पर एक जगह देखें 1.5 लाख से ज्यादा लड़के लड़कियों के प्रोफाइल। तो देर ना करें, अभी इस ऐप को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड करें या फिर इन नंबरों पर संपर्क करें।